Adidas recipe with ketchup? Okay, I'll bite. This is one of those internet deep cuts where absurdity meets curiosity. You've got three things here: Adidas, the brand, ketchup, the condiment, and likely a meme that mashed them together spectacularly. First off, we're not talking about dipping sneakers in ketchup. I've seen weirder, but I promise this isn't that. It's more like creating an unusual recipe that somehow has Adidas shoe branding in the final plating. Stick with me. You start by imagining the most internet-worthy dish, something oddball yet oddly satisfying. Take a sweet potato toast base because carbs are the foundation of life and memes. Layer it up with some spicy ketchup drizzle for flavor. Next, create a sole. This is a pressed layer of thinly sliced zucchini or eggplant. Grill those bad boys until char marks appear. The idea is to mimic the tread design of Adidas sneakers. Don't judge, it's artistic cooking. The protein should be clean and visually catchy. Marinate chicken or tofu in smoked paprika, and you guessed it, ketchup. It'll caramelize beautifully when cooked. Griddle or air fry until the glaze pops for Instagram-worthy aesthetics. Here comes the Adidas part. You're going to use a stencil. Yeah, like actual stenciling, but with food. Craft an edible logo out of seaweed or tortilla strips. Place it over your sole as the garnish. Here's the pain point for most. Stencils can feel like a pain to cut. Pro tip: print the Adidas logo, cut it out using parchment paper, and then use that to slice your garnish like a pro chef. You're welcome. Now, layer your ingredients: sweet potato at the bottom, your sole, and the marinated protein on top. Drizzle the spicy ketchup on the plate Jackson Pollock style because we're being extra and we love it. Trust me, this dish comes together hilariously well. It's part sneakerhead tribute and part food experiment. It screams, this shouldn't work, but it does, which, honestly, is the theme of half the internet. Some of you are probably thinking, why ketchup? Well, it's divisive, isn't it? Half the world loves it unconditionally, the other half tolerates it on fries. But in this context, it's the hero ingredient. Bold and unapologetic. Not into sweet potato or sweet things in general. Substitute rice cakes or naan bread as your base. The real magic is in understanding proportions. The ketchup should enhance the flavor, not overpower everything like it does on soggy fast food. So there you have it, the Adidas ketchup recipe. It's not something you make every day, but it's the kind of absurd, oddly fun activity that makes Sunday afternoons memorable. You might even start a trend, or at least confuse your friends in the group chat.